Why SAP certification is important. If you are new to the SAP world, or even if you have been around a while, here are a few reasons why I believe SAP certification has value, with one caveat that I will share as well. SAP certification can increase credibility. Whether you're working as an implementation consultant or part of an established center of excellence, certification can provide both internal and external customers with an additional level of confidence that project and support consultants have the necessary knowledge to provide the required services. Many consultancies provide statistics on the certifications held by their consultants, and certifications within a center of excellence demonstrate to business customers that the team supporting them is willing to invest the time and effort into staying current with SAP products. SAP certification can set you apart in a crowded job market. Certification by itself doesn't guarantee a job, but is often mentioned in job descriptions either as a requirement or a nice to have. Nothing beats a proven record of delivering implementation or support, but there are frequently multiple candidates for a position with comparable skills and experience. Certification demonstrates a little additional ambition and willingness to learn, and may be just enough to tip the scales in your favor. The journey is as important as the destination. I saved this one for last but believe that it's the most important point. People pursue certification at different points in their career and for different reasons. You may have significant experience in a particular area and want to pursue certification in order to validate your expertise. Conversely, you may be brand new to SAP and are pursuing certification in an effort to launch your career. In either case, passing the exam is going to require some level of preparation. SAP provides a high-level outline of each certification exam, and your study resources may be live instruction, a Learning Hub subscription, or a book from one of many sources. We would all like to pass the exam on the first try, but it doesn't always happen. The amount of study time invested will vary from person to person, but regardless of whether you pass the exam on the first attempt, or at all, you will have more knowledge and be more competent in that area of SAP than when you began. Time invested in learning is never wasted. SAP certification doesn't automatically equate to mastery. SAP certification exams are challenging and require significant high-level knowledge of the subject material. At least this is true of the associate-level certification exams that I have taken. Even for the professional-level certifications, it isn't possible to capture every possible business scenario in exam questions. Certification must be viewed for what it is, which is a starting point for further application and discovery. I have worked with SAP products for a long time and still learn something new most every week. Special note for students, faculty, and alumni of SAP University Alliance Schools. SAP launched a new edition of the Learning Hub in May of 2021 for colleges and universities that are part of the SAP University Alliances. Access is free and available via a valid email address for a member school, and many schools allow alumni to keep their student email address for life. The SAP University Alliances currently include 650 member schools in over 90 countries, and you can check here to find out if your school is a member. While this edition of the Learning Hub doesn't include all of the training content contained within the professional edition, it does include some key topics such as integrated business planning and the SAP Analytics Cloud, and provides discounted prices for certification exams. You can find all of the details here. SAP certification isn't for everybody, but if it's something you have been thinking about, then hopefully this is of some help to you. SAP is always your best source of information on training and certification, but if you have a question and can't find the answer, then feel free to drop me a note. If I don't have the answer, then I will do my best to point you towards somebody who does.